Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel! Today, I'm super excited to take you on a little adventure at the stunning Okada. We've been soaking in all the luxury this place has to offer, and let me tell you, it's been an absolute dream. From the breathtaking views to the exquisite amenities, join us as we explore the lavish pools, indulge in some mouth-watering cuisine, and experience the top-notch service that Okada is known for. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's dive right in. Let's sing as we go there, guys. I really felt this song, guys. Haha. Nasa traffic kami ngayon, mga kaibigan. Parang walang katapusang parking lot dito. Pero alam nyo ba? Sa halip na nakaupo lang dito na nababagot, naisip ko, bakit hindi natin gawing mini concert ito? Kaya kunin ang iyong imahinasyong mikropono at sabayan tayo sa pagkanta.
So this is the 35K room. This the wow. Ayan yung sala niya. Tapos ito naman yung bed niya. One bed lang, 35 na yan. Pero ang ganda ng bathtub. Oh my gosh. Sa bathtub lang ako natuwa. Wait.
Ang ganda ng bathtub nila.
Ang ganda eh.
Well, let me tell you, this room is absolutely stunning. It's like stepping into a luxury dream. The decor is on point, and honestly, I could see myself living here for months without getting bored. Every detail is just amazing, from the plush furnishings to the breathtaking views. I mean, can you even? This place is a total vibe. Stay tuned for more adventures in this gorgeous space. Check this out, Yasi is absolutely captivated by the room. The vibe here is just incredible. I mean, look at that bed, so sleek. And can we talk about how spotless everything is? It's like a dream come true. Seriously, for just 35K, this place is a steal. You won't believe how amazing it feels to be here. Stay tuned for more adventures. So I bought this dress, guys, for almost 9,000 pesos. Look, it's very nice, sleek and blue, one of my favorite colors. Can't wait to try it on. Try it with me, guys. So let's talk about this moment, the one where you catch a glimpse of yourself in the mirror and feel like a total Disney princess. I mean, I look absolutely gorgeous. I couldn't help but ask the mirror, who's the fairest of them all? Spoiler alert, it's definitely me. Just kidding. But honestly, it felt like a magical moment. Let us just take a moment, guys. Let's attempt to capture this absolutely stunning view. It's so nice to be here on this beautiful place, feeling the vibe.
Hey guys, ito yung nakuha ko sa Unli Buffet ko today. Ito naman ng kay Jasmine. Coco Crunch lang. Good morning, let's eat. Ganito kumain. So, ganito kumain dito, guys. Ganyan. This is the right way to eat. Guys, this is the right way to eat here.
Seriously, are you a baby?
Then, where's my spoon? Ganito kumain dito talaga. Ganyan. Dito lang yan. Salap lang yan. So, let's eat.
Hey!
Just focus. Guys, they have casino.
Let us ponder about the guys and their fascinating casino experience. I truly hope that we can discover some valuable things to purchase there or simply enjoy playing various games.
So the ground ballroom is there. So guys, we're inside the casino. Jessie got the toy. 12,000. 12,000 yan, di ba nak? 12,000. Read Krista.
Additionally, we also indulged in golfing rice and tried it out on a massive screen. Person is hungry, guys, after wandering.
Ayaw umayos eh. Tuwid mo ko. Okay guys, let's unbox this Frozen.
Frozen. Tissue? Oh, come on. I my favorite one.
This is 700. What will I do with the 700 toy?
It's pretty.
So guys, this is Frozen. We bought from Mall of Asia. So this is 700 pesos. I don't know why Jessie want this. What will you do with that?
A design.
I'm diving again, guys, into the ultimate and live buffet experience. Can you believe it? I'm surrounded by a mountain of food. Seriously, there's so much to choose from, I don't even know where to start. For just 7,000 pesos per person, I'm about to embark on a delicious journey like no other. Let's check out all these mouth-watering dishes and see what I can indulge in. Stay tuned, because this is going to be a feast to remember.
So let's eat. Ano yun na? Filipino food yung mga pinagpipili. Casino. Tapos, siyempre,
Casino, ha?
paborito
Casino?
kong danggit. Kumain ako ng danggit sa Okada. Saan ka pa?
Hey guys, let's unbox this. So this one we bought this in Mall of Asia and Popmart. So ang haba-haba ng pila ng Popmart para lang makabili ng ganito si Jasmine. So this is the price of this is 12,000. So let's open this. Hey, where's the scissor?
Box na yun, ha?
So,
Now she's gonna break
Uy.
the box.
ang mahal nito, 12,000. Sana binili ko na lang ng house and lot. Oh! Wait! So, may bata dyan na excited na makita, Eri. Ten, 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 ten. Ten, ten. May isa pang box! So, wait lang.
Yan.
What's this? I think this is a card. Oh, see? Here's the card. So you got this. This is original toy from Popmart. So ikaw ba naman may 12,000 kung hindi pa original? So, ten, 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 ten. Oh no! Oh yeah! Wala pa rin? Nakabalot pa rin? Kami namang balot niyan. Amoy naman ang pagkabalot nito.
Alam mo.
So, I think...
Ah! Papa naman.
Grabe, baka maliit na to. Putragis ang 12,000 no, maliit lang ata. So, ito na siya guys. Ito na ang itsura ng 12,000 guys. Ganyan lang.
Wait.
Ayun, nahuhubaran na natin ang 12,000 niya na toy, guys. Ang OA ni Jasmine sa toys niya, no? Ang OA. Yan. Yan, ang OA mo. Ano gagawin mo dito?
May ano siya, may hat siya.
Oh! Naka-cover yung, may cover yung face niya kasi she's beautiful. Like, she look like this. See, we look alike.
Bro.
Wait, so you don't like?
I like it.
Sampalin kita.
Okay na.
Sabihin mo na, masasampal kita. So, see you na yun, guys. Bye-bye.
The weather has been truly wonderful, and it's absolutely perfect for swimming. us revel in and unwind our time at Okada, guys. Let us raise a toast with cheers. My stay at Okada has been truly wonderful, and I am incredibly grateful that I was able to experience it. From all the amazing foods, incredible places, and thoughtful purchases I made during my visit, it has been incredibly self-appreciating for me. I highly recommend you consider visiting Okada if you have the opportunity to do so, as it is truly an amazing experience. Thanks a lot for tuning into my vlogs, everyone. I truly appreciate the love and support you all have shown by subscribing and liking. Your encouragement means the world to me,